Welcome to Choice Champions. The best bubble wrap is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components in ensuring your precious items arrive at their destination unscathed, acting as a silent guardian against the bumps and tumbles of transit. And in this video, we're diving deep into the world of small bubble wrap, exploring its unique properties and why it might just be the perfect protective solution for a wide array of your packing needs, from delicate glassware to electronic components, ensuring peace of mind with every shipment. Number 5. Duck Brand Small Bubble Cushioning Wrap. Introducing our Small Bubble Cushioning Wrap. Its small bubbles provide easy conformability around your delicate and valuable items, ensuring they are well protected. Use this wrap to fill empty spaces in your boxes. It adds instant padding for fragile items, making it a great addition to your packing supplies. This cushioning wrap is light as air and won't add significant weight to your packages. It's an essential for shipping without the burden of extra mass. Our packing materials are proudly made in America. You can trust in the quality and craftsmanship of these essential moving supplies. Tear off sheets easily along the perforated lines every 12 inches. Wrap your items bubble side in for the best possible protection during transit. These packing bubbles are durable enough to survive multiple moves. You can reuse them again and again, making them a sustainable choice for your packaging needs. What we like. This wrap features small bubbles for easy conformability around delicate items. It's perforated every 12 inches for easy tearing. If you are looking for a versatile and easy-to-use option for packing a variety of fragile items, this is a great choice. What people say. The bubble wrap is great for protecting fragile items during shipping. It's easy to cut and use for various packing needs. The bubbles are a good size, providing adequate cushioning. Number 4. Offitecture Nylon Bubble Cushioning Wrap Roll. Introducing our premium cushioning wrap, designed for ultimate protection. Its perforated design allows for effortless tearing, making packing a breeze. Experience superior protection with our unique air-locking technology. This ensures the air stays sealed, providing durable cushioning for your valuables. The 3 16-inch bubbles offer the perfect cushioning for all your fragile items. Wrap them securely, knowing they are well protected during transit. Crafted from lightweight yet durable nylon, this wrap is not only easy to handle but also reusable. It's an eco-friendly choice for your packing needs. We've included 20 fragile stickers to clearly mark your valuable items. Ensure safe handling during moving or shipping with these essential labels. What we like. This wrap boasts a unique nylon barrier seal technology for longer-lasting air retention and superior protection. It's perforated for easy tearing and made from lightweight, durable nylon. If you need a reliable and reusable solution that offers excellent cushioning for your most delicate possessions, consider this option. What people say. The bubble wrap is durable and provides excellent cushioning for fragile items. It's easy to cut and shape, making it versatile for various packing needs. The small bubble size is perfect for protecting smaller, delicate objects without adding unnecessary bulk. Number 3. Bubble Roll Wrap 12x 450-foot Perforated. This bubble wrap offers superior cushioning with its 3 16-inch small bubbles. It's perfect for protecting fragile items, glassware, and electronics during moving, shipping, or storage. The convenient perforations allow for easy tearing to the exact size you need. This makes packing and shipping supplies quick and efficient. Despite being lightweight, it provides robust protection. It effectively absorbs shocks and vibrations, safeguarding your contents from damage. Specially designed for delicate items like dishes and glassware. The air-filled bubbles act as a protective shield against impacts during transport. Featuring a nylon barrier seal, it holds air longer for better protection. It shields items from dust, moisture, and scratches, while being flexible for any shape. Support American workers with this high-quality bubble wrap. Manufactured in the USA, it ensures reliable packing for both personal and commercial needs. What we like. This premium roll offers an impressive 450 feet of 3 16-inch small bubbles for enhanced cushioning. It features a nylon barrier seal to hold air longer and is proudly made in the USA. If you're packing a large volume of fragile items and need a durable, long-lasting, and high-quality solution, this is the product for you. What people say. This bubble wrap is perfect for protecting fragile items during shipping. The bubbles are a good size and provide ample cushioning. It's easy to cut and wrap around various shapes and sizes. Number 2. 50-pack cushion foam pouches. Introducing our high-quality cushion foam pouches, designed with anti-static film technology. They are flexible, tough, and offer superior cushioning to protect your most important items from damage during transit. These foam pouches are not only reusable and recyclable but also made with premium materials. Utilizing advanced edge pressing technology, they provide a secure and tear-resistant alternative to traditional packaging. Measuring 16 by 16 inches, these pouches are ideal for a wide range of items, from delicate glassware and tableware to cherished collections and artworks. We also include 30 fragile labels to ensure careful handling. Specially designed for e-commerce sellers, they offer excellent moisture-proof, shock-proof, and scratch-proof properties. They are perfect for safeguarding small electronics and preventing damage to furniture edges. Use them as the best filling material to prevent items from rattling during transportation. This ensures your products arrive safely, saving you time and giving you peace of mind. These foam pouches offer great value and come with a commitment to customer satisfaction. We are dedicated to providing better products and premium services for all your packaging needs. What we like? These are high-quality cushion foam pouches with anti-static film technology, offering flexibility and strong compression resistance. They are reusable and made with high-temperature edge pressing for durability. If you are an e-commerce seller or need to protect small to medium-sized items from scratches, dents, and moisture, these pouches are an ideal alternative to traditional packaging. What people say. The bubble wrap is a good size for small items. It provides excellent cushioning for fragile objects. The material is durable and doesn't easily pop. Number 1. Bryco Goods Newsprint Packing Paper. Moving can be stressful, but protecting your delicate items doesn't have to be. Our packing paper ensures your fragile belongings arrive safely at your new home. This isn't just for moving day. Use it to keep your holiday decorations safe or to protect stored items. Its uses are as limitless as your imagination. You'll receive 320 sheets of unprinted, neutral-tone newsprint paper. It's perfect for filling boxes and ensuring everything stays put during transit. We take pride in offering a product made right here in the USA. You can be confident in the quality and reliability of your purchase. Shop with peace of mind knowing your order is backed by Amazon's guarantee and customer service. We're here to support your needs. Its natural gray-white hue and unbleached quality make it the ideal choice for packing. It's a simple yet effective solution for all your wrapping needs. What we like? This product provides 320 sheets of unbleached, neutral-colored newsprint packing paper, free of any printing. It's essential for protecting delicate items like dishes and can be used as box filler. If you're looking for a simple, versatile, and eco-friendly option for wrapping items and filling voids, especially for kitchenware and decorations, this newsprint paper is a great choice. What people say. The bubble wrap is perfect for protecting fragile items during shipping. It's easy to cut and wrap around objects of various shapes and sizes. The bubbles are small and provide excellent cushioning without adding too much bulk. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.